You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what now, back at it and you never know how to say and they but we don't know the mission, we don't understand the journeys. Well, as me always say again, you can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Yeah, man. So guess what now? This one is called Truth Hurts. The Truth Hurts, episode 1 and 2. Just to put you at this, like 1 and 2 at the same spot. Me gonna push on, cause when me not gonna promise, but me gonna promise. September, me gonna drop all of the part 3 them, but I just to gather the people them. Cause right now, see that Jessica gone at home, cause she gone home, and Ray Tate, and she have to get back to school and all them something there. So guess what now? You can't vex with me. All me right now is just keep the fire blazing. Right? Because people are complaining they can't find that one here. Half of them watch the one there. And this and that. So here it is. Putting it at one place just for you. Alright? So guess what now? Thanks to everybody who continuously support Public Report, the whole movement, the whole team. You know what I mean? And thanks to everybody that's been a part of this movement. Bulby, Marika, Pinky, Jesus, Jessica, myself, somebody else in it, but don't vex me at this point, yeah? So guess what? Thanks again for the support. This is the Truthers episode 1 and 2 at one place. So go and go watch it. Who watched it already? Watch it again. Share it because we have it in a one spot. Don't do it. Alright? So thanks again for the support. Oh!
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the Dan, cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one, cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one, cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss, cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life, cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life, cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not get no friend from nobody.
Yes, come here.
Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're
You know, say, at night time, me fi in my house I pray for you. I pray. Look here, I don't like when you talk to you about it already, You know, so when I come in the house I pray, me I get in a spirit.
What
and
I
as me
say?
don't get in a spirit, so me get a call. So you nearly get shot. And every time I pray, them I go work,
No, but sometimes I don't know. That chop up on the street, You have to go do it, you understand?
You know, I feel
Yeah,
it.
listen. This one time chop money, you can spend it and buy more and buy. You see that? I carry the Walmart coming up. Mommy, you know more things we have in process. Mommy, me have a housing scheme of building on me. Me tell you, behind the back, you not even know, Me know you love me. I love you too. You understand me, but you have to understand. Fast and money, make it quick.
No, me not like it. I do not like it. You know me not like it. So stop telling me about fast money. When you plan for stop, you look at your plan for stop none till until your life gone. You not plan for stop.
When me soon start, man, but everything is for a little matter of time. You understand me? I say?
No.
You
Because we
understand?
talk to you about couple months ago. I said, Mommy, oh, me go stop now. And then all of a sudden you start back again. Me don't understand what's going on.
Mommy, now we're going to,
Oh.
I'm not going to gathering, Mommy. Are you on my gathering, I'm not going to go no. What am I going to buy no gathering or nothing,
So what me ask you a question? You feel like God approve of what you are doing?
Well, as what I say, our 4 parents' money, so we are trying to get back so 4 parents' money. I understand back in our slavery days.
You see, you provoke me, you provoke me. I'm going to tell you, if you stop more, you stop. Because people, oh, it's going to look now. Me as your mother, where I go to church every day, if you pray for you, and you still do it.
Mommy, me tell you, see game, that's a serious thing. So much care this. I 1 million upon this and 6 million upon this,
So it's a
You understand? Say anything I want to buy, you can go buy. If I want to buy something.
No, me don't want nothing. Me just don't want nothing. Me just want you to stop.
Me can't stop because I already in the game for a long time. Me are doing it, me are hide and you see say the game. But you know and money I make and thing mommy. You don't know things that if you just want breathe and just want calm and just know say a young youth life.
More money, more enemies. Stop. We need you to stop, okay? You ready for something to eat?
Mommy, right now, you are telling me say right now, we make a man and change from the food, mommy, I tell you the truth.
What do you mean by your mind change from the food?
Because mommy, remember saying and all the time I have it, Most of the time I remember saying me come up with money and day, So all these millions, where do you get it from? And there, scam white people crime.
You think I don't know that I need you to stop now?
Mommy, you never know.
You
You
think
feel
I don't know?
you feel like I'm uncle send me money for a fire.
I lie. A long time I ain't hear it say you do it. Remember I was asking you tell me say I tell you, are you tell me say your uncle send you money now? You forgot say you tell me that?
Mommy just want you to pray for me on the right path. In a real life.
Me not stop pray for you, but you need to stop the way I do.
Mommy, I go stop man, but me not stop until me reach my goal. One supermarket, one cash patch, one gas station. You understand? So I want a bag of things, mommy. So me see that people on the way are coming on. You understand?
What do you mean by it?
You don't know?
No? Pick me.
Yes, sir. So introduce you to my baby mother. Yes, soon.
When are you baby mother?
Mommy, I'm not a whore. I just want, yeah.
I'm your girlfriend when you're not there from school days. So you're going to tell me say
You
you're
know,
not a whore.
you know, say, she lose out for me. I tell her the truth. Yeah, man, she lose out for me. She feel like she got a nice girl, but she don't want a nice girl. She a bad bitch. You see me? I'm a friend, me catch with that run a bush. And I make it for them dig off. I told me stop over there and say, bow. And they run off. They're
Fix
not
up your
there.
life. Fix up your life. Because you see you have baby come, fix up your life.
No, man. That's why I try to set the people who are coming up. I've set the people too. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's one to cook steaks.
Me alright.
Chicken, it's one to consume chicken. And pork is one to consume and everything there.
Me not eat pork, I don't eat steak, and you know that.
Okay, stop one saying about his steak. Now when daddy was there, he didn't cook steak and eat steak. Probably how daddy cook it. I never know say a steak and you know daddy can cook. I'm loving daddy cook.
Obviously, your father is not around for many years now, so I don't eat steak again.
No. But I tell him, I miss daddy, you know, I'm not my daddy. I love daddy, you know. So, I tell him. If daddy there, I'm proud of me. I'm daddy. You would not, if it's my daddy, you love me, you know, I always tell me, say, son, make sure I say, yo, your work.
Listen to me and listen to me carefully. You see a man will love his son, him no walk on the same family. You think about that?
Share some food for me. Kind of feel good tipsy, you know. Please. You know, I love you, you know.
Check out my boat then, my boy. There I know my picnic. Anytime you're ready, me ready right now.
But what should I say now?
What you say?
Yeah, but one client with some food. 500,000. You see me? I have some money for my car still, but I don't want to really touch that. You see me? Yeah, but the 500,000. What you want to do?
Right now, we want some food for the boat because right now we are going over Haiti and over there look a small island there. Yeah man, have to go over there. Yeah man, Right now, what
What
I
you
know?
know?
We have the link for the coke and the ganja, you know, me pick. Yeah, man.
So, you know, you know,
Anything, what you say?
see, now them time I have to pray the weather.
Oh.
When you have money, you know, now we on a plan to send the piece of Tuesday, which is, you know, one bridge like 9 hills.
Mm-hmm.
You sell weed, you see the weed them, we have to buy,
Mhm.
you have to get them and wrap them up. There's some brown tape and weed
So,
them.
and I push we are get them.
No, bro.
Like
You
it's
see the
regular.
listen now, see the push, you don't want to push over them place. And
Mm.
swap, we are swap. That means if you carry donkey, we get strap. If you carry weed, get money. So which one you go for?
The money no one steal, no me boy. And money no one steal.
Differently.
But then there, anytime
You go
me say
need some
any-
gas too.
Yes, yeah man, we are half in need that. We are going to be big jug. Want to have big jug them. Tall jug them there. Want to
No,
have
I
them
thought
car.
8 gallon enough. I thought 25 gallon.
Then I hit me and try to tell them big jug them. Cause
So-
we are touching boat and we not come back yourself, you know, not this week, not next week, you know, my boy.
Understand. So,
Yes man.
so me I say no father, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Who ever tell about this mission? Because I can't set up things.
Who me fear tell about mission, man? I first man me can't tell. Who me fear whole argument with?
Because I don't know if you don't sit on one
Who
side.
me fear
I
whole
pray, say me I make $1 million, or me I make this, or me I make that.
You know
Because I
something
say me
like
a chopper.
talk to you.
So watch out.
Cause you what you go say to me.
Watch out.
Mm-hmm.
You see the car there?
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
I 1 million depend on it.
So what we are gonna do with it?
Me don't want to really join the money off of it.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Because I have a youth on the way. You understand? But what me I say now, I wait for the client to send the money come. When you send the money come, buy up some things, or put on the boat, buy up some food, some gas, and shoot out. You see me? Because I know it's ready for the road, no, brother. A long time when I struggle is no bad man.
Long time,
Long
boy.
time,
Money have to make money.
Money have to
What you
make,
know?
brother.
You see, Coast Guard boy, them me no want to run in.
But you know
power
something like when you move from other day?
Oh,
But if you stop and follow up a loose girl, and brother, girls are jugs. You understand? Take your money and build a house. Them girl just want to wait till you have money, then come out, them friend.
Yeah.
Oh, me love you, me this and that, I'm a rater, bro. Me know you stay in the street, bro. Me
understand
run them
me, I
girls,
say,
no, bro.
Understand me, I
A
say,
girl
but
run
them
we
too
down.
tempted, my youth.
Me know-
Sometimes I can't manage.
You know them tempted bad man, but
My
that
youth.
shirt is my sweetie chuck. I've looked for you, real one them, brother, cause real girl out there, brother. There are some girls who love you for who you are. Some girls love you the things where you have. When it pop down and when it gone, and gone left you.
True, that's
Any experience with that? You know what I mean? Yeah, bro, so a good vibration, a good vibes, bro.
You know? Yeah, listen to what you are saying,
Yeah,
boy.
when you listen.
But watch you know. You go take time.
Yeah, man.
You go take time. You can't change up so fast, you know. You go
No,
take time.
things take time and
Yes,
process.
Yes.
You understand?
Because you tell me flow loose,
Yeah.
girl. Watch you know, man, to want a loose girl me have right now. You have to take time. You have to take time. You have to take time.
I can't bother him that some change my life, you know, brother.
Right now, hit me on do, but
That's why my
what
father gone, because I bag a loose girl him and thing, and my mother. You don't know why my mother in a bag of thing and run off on me. Bro, man, tell you, a bag of thing, bro. You see me?
You understand what you
So watch you know, this
Mhm.
thing. I have to touch the road.
Engine active, you know.
And
We have two.
two we
We
can
have
go.
2 engine, you know.
No.
Right now, put on right now for that mission there, you know. 2 are big, heavy duty engine them, you know.
I feel like if I slip, brother, what you say?
2 are big. Them the engine over right now. I want 150 engine this right now in a machine.
As a fiberglass boat that my friend, well fast now, light, you know.
I tell you about I want me have a bombard. 250 engine them. At 2 of them me have 1 pan left, 1 pan right. I want 5 bills. A 5 bills.
But-
250, you know,
Nah,
say 5
yo,
bills that
but-
are whole heap of speed in a
General,
hit.
me not cut you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can't go say not care two girl.
A mission we are go for. You
Oh,
just tell me if you never find loose.
But you
girl,
can't two girl.
go do what?
What you mean?
Pan with mission.
What you mean?
I said we are go sell them.
Why?
I said we are go sell them.
Let them have what's
Why you me not like your style? You just tell me a thing and then you come curb me brain
We're
again.
not proper brain, man. I know I got to carry 4 girls and you can't talk, but you have to carry 2 on the boat they go.
So like a
You two
party,
can't
we
go.
a party.
No, we're not a party. Watch you know. I got link, you say, you know what thing.
Alright, that's another mother good thing.
Yeah, man.
That's another. Check me, check out the boat. That's another. Just be right.
Yeah, man.
Anytime,
Anytime, piece of food. Link you. Yeah, boy, I'm brain.
Alright.
You can come now, door open. Come. You can say come. Walk one. You're a long time in a see. Come give me a hug. We are stay with so long. Come sit down, man.
Remember, say, this is not my home anymore, so just come when you can.
Hello, this is always your home. Someone you have to come often because they see that the idiots on their minds. Even no good woman when him see them now.
Apart of life, they always call on you until and sleep.
You heard that someone you come on more often that you can see you and say you're a good woman because all of them make a better foot the way you have. You don't know say to them come here because in clean say my baby mother catch us I have to come eat.
Sorry for hear that still, but when I think my breds go back this again because attitude and style them when you have no. But you know, so me always go look for you so forth and check for you.
Girl, me I pray. Me never stop praying for you. So guess what?
You.
Una I go back together one day. Cause you're the best woman you ever have. But no say one day una will go back together.
Anything you say, cause mother prayer is the best prayer.
Right. So I never stop praying
So,
for you. Just me say you're the girl, you know.
Me come look for you and talk about your son like how your life a treat you and so forth.
Why me alright, you know, me good me tell you something good. I just you know my son he's an idiot by himself.
You know that.
Yes, so me I feel pray all the night time. Make most of the nights me can't sleep because it's like every time I shut my eye, me have vision something one night, you know. Today me tell him when I tell him come for food today. Me I tell him say me in a room I pray to me get in a spirit. And then me get a phone call, say come on, he get shot on the road.
Jesus.
And me I tell him to stop doing my doing. Nah, stop play. You see little kill this girl when my pick, when my take up. Them no want even know. I just like money where I make them after. And me I try to show him that and tell him say no. You did tell me say you go stop for my certain time. So what you do know? He go tell me about supermarket. Big car pan off. I be sleep him and tell me that's the one thing about. That's the one you go back to him that they can talk to
Me,
you.
no, sir. If Brett's never listen to me when me am there, when me am left no more listen to me like no. But I don't understand that. Just continue to pray for him. God will find a way of it. Clear his heart and work for him. Probably gonna work for him, you could buy the prayer. You might never know. Things can turn on in a blink of an eye.
And so I never stop. I tell him stop. Because you know it not look good. You know it not look good. You know me go to church now. And the whole talking and all of that. Stop now because more money now more problem, more enemy. But him not realize that.
Well, remember, so Brett don't really understand certain stuff, you know. Brett only know say, make money, spend money, party, drink, or just them listen to the Brett's mind. Other thing like house, them listen to the business, them listen to the Brett's mind.
Yes.
And enjoyment around the mind.
Well, I know him tell me today, say him have care upon the wharf. And him have too much story house at build because him have supermarket. Him say a lot of things him a do what me don't know about. That's why him tell me today. And you know what happened today too when me and him a talk? Him go bring up him father. And I go tell me say him love him father because him father good man. How can you him classify him father as a good man when him father run left away? Him say him love him father and him father is a good man. I don't know why.
So why not be so ungrateful?
Probably change father or him father the type of man with an encourage lifestyle. So that is why he must say love him father.
No, I understand.
Mm-hmm.
I see, but let me see to you, yeah. I can also do that. That's something different. Who is she?
Oh,
She.
wait.
What is?
I'm astonished. Can't talk. Where are you?
Hi. Hello. Don't address her. This is your house. This belongs to you.
Mommy, listen what I'm saying now, yeah? I know this is not my house, but where shall we are?
She entitled to come in anytime she want. I'm a daughter-in-law.
Your daughter-in-law?
Yes.
Mommy, you know how long me left for? What shall we are?
You don't see no sense. All along, I know you don't sense.
Mommy, it's my princess, yeah. It's my baby, yeah. Come on, I love her. Where I tell me, say? Eh? What shall we are? She not talk for the back of me, you know?
You're blind. That's all I know.
Where do you, sir? Your mother will reason. What kind of reason I will
But I'm
about
asking a
me?
question. You know, but you don't address her because she don't come to you as always said before. Because I realize you know be a rubbish you can pick up now.
So we are say. You want rubbish?
Me a rubbish.
Not that nonsense.
What is me a rubbish? Man, tell me a rubbish. What are your mama? I don't respond to where you be. But so
Hey, calm down. Hey, listen, I'm manners. Listen, you can't talk, mama. Yeah, don't cuss at my mom. Don't back out to my mom. I love my mom to my heart. Listen. Listen. Hey,
excuse me. Now make a mother feel like
hey.
Hello,
Hey, listen, stop on that. Hey, listen what I'm saying. I'm calling you. You wanna go outside?
No, I'm not go outside. I'm going out.
No, this is like you
I'm going out.
What's that about me?
She wanna touch me now.
Come on, mommy. Listen what I say now.
Hey, listen.
Come here. You're gonna sit over here.
Listen.
Sit.
I wish the man wanna push me.
Let you go.
Hey, gonna be over here walking up.
Let you go.
Because it's like
Listen, me and left long time. Why you not here, so? Eh?
Oi,
Listen,
I'm
no,
here over
fine.
here walk.
No,
Come on.
Mommy, are you crossing me? Mommy, are you crossing me?
Listen,
Mommy.
you cannot manage me.
Listen.
You cannot manage
Give
me.
me a second, come on. Give me a second. Please.
Come on to my house.
Me?
Come on.
I'm my daddy house. See, I don't know what you're
Come on to my house.
Come on, I'm my daddy
Come on to my
house.
house.
Listen, I'm my daddy house. Send money for America. Come to your life. Me don't want to be there. I want to run daddy house.
Sick in your head. Your daddy run like the family how much years old.
But that no
Tell
sense.
your woman if not do
You
nothing
can't
for
tell me that.
you. See
I'm my daddy.
I got this one, you.
Me no business. You can't jacket. And you're no mother.
We not care.
You understand? Remember say, I want me to me know you know.
I'm glad me said to mother, because guess what?
Here.
Your father, we run left for you 2 years, you tell me say for me, I want me at 2 years, you know me? Eh?
Listen what I'm saying now. Mommy.
Listen,
Listen, no. We can't say that real.
Family drama, we can't but out. How will you do? Come on. How will you do? I don't want to come. Where would I read?
No, now fight. What you understand,
What
mommy?
I do?
You can't come
Come
here
here.
again.
Push out,
We can
I said leave
Mommy, what should I do ya?
Yeah, that's not your business.
Mommy, we can reason now. What we should do?
That's not your business.
Listen up, me go come
Come
out.
on.
Me have money, we can rent a room. Come on.
Excuse your word. It's like it's
I
not.
don't like it. I'm much of my life. What you like you? What you
Yes, Mr. Guaya.
Because come you decide you. Oh yeah, so when we put on the pan. Eh?
You know look good and not every calm down. Come like you know have my brain babe, me not like that. That girl is that girl
Yo.
like listen, let me tell you
You know
something.
why problem?
Yeah,
You know what is the problem?
yes.
Because I'm an educated girl decided with her. I don't scare
Listen what
decided
I'm
with
saying
her.
now. That
You know
the
what
girl-
is the problem?
What's the problem?
You see the girl what she bring in your yard where
Yes.
you used to deal with?
Yes.
She want you and the girl to connect back and that can't work. Cause once me in the picture that can't go work. So you must know.
Come
Me
to
not
the
tell a man to choose me, you know. And a man not have to choose me, you know.
Yes, me can
And me not
speak.
beg man to choose me, you know.
Me can
Listen to
speak.
what me I say before you speak.
Yes, me understand.
Speak while you spoken. Listen to what me I say.
Okay, yes.
No man not have to choose me. Cause me never beg a man to want me. You understand?
Yes.
But all me know say, the mother like the girl and she not like me. Whether she just know me or not, she don't like me.
You hear me say?
I'm not taking my
Listen,
life.
I say no. You know how much money me spend for the girl eh? I buy a girl all car, you know. And then this me, you know. I do a BBL for the girl already, you know. And look.
Which BBL look on her? Cause obviously the body flat. Which BBL do? I'm company here, man.
Mama,
Eh?
mama,
Which
listen now.
BBL do? That
Mama,
flat
me no know
out.
where it come from, you know, where she up here from. We say we are all have vibes and we say we are going and go and chill and we are mess. Mama just fuck up. Mama just mash up my mess, man. You don't let them sit here, you know. It's not the time now for a mirror, man.
Listen to me, give me
It's
mirror.
not mirror. It's
Give
not
me
looking
mirror,
in mirror,
5,000
man.
mirror. Give me hit. Give me hit.
You know I'm full of money, man.
Give me hit. Listen, no, listen. I don't.
that, you know.
Me love
You
you
know,
too.
make sake I want to have man get in
But you
between
have
me
to
and
go
you.
talk to your mother. Your mother is the one who responsible for what happened since night. You have to
But
go
no,
talk
no,
to her.
you ever see me yet in person?
I first me I see her.
So what
and
she-
oh me hear she a gone but oh my daughter, me this and me that.
But-
Listen to me now, me not feel like your mother not feel like me.
Mama,
You know.
listen. You see it?
Oh, you come here, mother?
You make me
Eh?
astonished.
And mommy
You
you
see,
come.
me not like how you adjust me, man. Just calm, see
And
me,
mommy
man.
you call me.
Listen, me, I say,
Eh?
you have just love my mother.
Give me mirror.
Cause you see, sometimes, that's why first she can I say, but, listen, you know, I chose to know the girl from a long time, from went back. Probably she never know me and she left and thing, but she know now.
Yeah, your mama feel rubbish.
I
Tell
mean,
me Fred your mama.
can't see,
Tell me
man.
Fred down. Eh? Look for me good. Tell me Fred
You
down.
know, Satan, you pepper brain
Yeah, your
now.
mama feel rubbish.
Can't see, man.
So what you say now? What you say they go on?
Listen what me say
You
now.
know that you me love make it go on so.
I mean,
Actually, I know me love make it go on say
my
now.
heart a pump. Feel it? No make it tap pump. Make it pump. Look. You know me know I'm bad.
It's a pump.
Yes,
It's a pump.
man.
I see a pump how you love somebody. Eh? I see a pump hard.
You know me love you.
How the
now.
words of it touch of your heart pump. Tell me now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Me tell her. Just right now. One back peace. Like no one go in between me and you. Me tell you.
You
Sure.
know a piece of life.
You see, my mother. Not even know her mother, you know. Because when I grew up, my mother tell me say, he bring her in my life when me a two. Some never jacket mother and rifle mother, me I tell her the truth.
You sure your jacket? Because they treat her like a jacket.
Look
You
how
know?
him black and me
So
brown.
listen.
So me have to-
They treat her
fix
like a
nonsense.
jacket. So me feel one know if you a jacket and she a jacket.
But I'm-
Because you have obviously you a jacket.
How comes?
Because your mother in between everything whatever.
So that me I try show you, mother tell me say, I want
your
me a
mother
two.
just said this. And me know you can't say nah.
Listen, cut.
Me know you
long
up to
story
what she
short.
a say.
No,
But she
me
a see
care
me.
up to what she a
But
talk about.
to you see me. You know your heart
Big,
belongs
look how
to
you
the
nice. Look how you flat tattoo. Look how you chrome skin.
I might take this out.
You have a old
I
mark,
might
exactly.
listen. I might take this out. You want lick and make you absent. Listen to me. If I play, me tell me friend now.
Me
Tell me
not play
Friday
with a
now.
man like Broke Body and Klein.
Bonnie and
Me
Clyde.
not play with your heart.
A body and Clyde and Bonnie and Clyde. A puppy show you.
I
A body.
don't know which one of them, but that's how it go.
I think you can lyrics.
They say anything Jamaican say, if no you go say, you almost go so.
You almost go so.
Yes.
You come like a ackee and starfish. Me Clyde in you.
Come on, man. Boy, brain is still there, so. You're on the boat and mad, you're on the boat, so. You're gonna see money me I look on me. I found the idea, so man. Yo, what have 1, 2, 3 boat out there, man. You money me I look on the bad. You know you're pre-money, but a big job I just go on a while ago, man. Hey, You how are know, you Mr. going? One thing How just are go on you a while going? ago there. Yo, Wait, get up. wait, right there, Let me wait. tell you what go on. How are you going? Yo, you don't know what I say? Step in the house a while ago with Pinky. Mm-hmm. I want me look, America me say. Because me say me America did there, you know. You understand? But she did me different man. You understand? Because you need to go and go near about it. Alright, let's Near look about out for it. that, brother. So you know say a big fight. All Pinky. Big fight. Yeah, this is my mother. Me have to put on my hand over she must have You more know bite say on in my a finger real them. life though, Yeah. as me see it, I problem. How comes my how be problem? I problem, you know. Me. Yeah, you. Me. Yeah, you. But you know why? Me say I problem. How much time from day calling?
Brother, one time we on the grind, brother.
How much time from day calling?
Brother, one time we calling on the grind.
No. I second time this. And what you know? I similar argument to come to me with you know.
Brother.
What you know? Yeah, I problem. Just America if you do with boy idea.
Me. You know what I have to say?
Mm.
You look America.
Yeah, either.
Yo, you look America.
No, but I
Eh?
just
That
no,
me have
but
to.
no,
You American in business.
Oh, me America in
Eh?
business.
You American in business.
But I the foolishness, man. Oh, me America in a business, man. Oh, me America in a business.
I hope you
You hear?
in a
No,
business.
no.
Tell that in a boy.
You don't realize you here say me America in a business.
Mr. Tell us
Me a
something.
friend. How long me a friend for?
Come know you pick up for America, you know
No,
America
I don't pick
wet.
up for America, man, but me know say a good girl used to take care of you too. You go on like me and tell like boy.
But you don't know about life. But you don't know about life. One can't clap, you know. And my hand and your hand clap together, so.
Remember, you see, a while ago me tell you say, you know, you're fault with the American not doing no deal. So what you say to me? What you say? How you move a while ago?
My youth.
So that means a year fault, brother.
Yeah,
No
my
bother
fault.
with the foolishness.
But you know,
Yo,
remember say, yeah? Me make she do her BBL.
yeah.
Look about thing me buy her for her. Buy a car. What she do? This is my best friend. Me not move
Can I
on.
ask you something? This is your best friend. I feel your best friend and your best friend.
Brother, I'm not the best friend. Girl, I'm best friend.
But are you a friend?
Nigga.
Are you a friend?
In this before.
Alright.
I make she go on her way.
A full fault.
I know my fault.
Are you a fault?
Because she loves sweets.
No! Are you a fault because why? Are you came round man who have more things than
Brother,
you?
that is not the fault.
No.
That's when I have a good girl.
Yeah.
They don't know man who have sweets. They don't know man who hold out. Eat little, eat long. So that means if I eat cocoa, if I eat cocoa too and drink water.
You idiot.
Brother, I want to
You
brother.
want lobster and
Brother, I want to that's why I have a country go for the next girl. Pinky, I'm woman. Pinky come from our country. Pinky can wash, cook and clean.
That's why I'm saying, you know. You're aggressive, you know.
Brother, the girl that eat that girl, man, you.
Who
What you talk about? Eh?
America.
What you mean? You know the style. A backshot, don't clean brother. She love her mother clean brother. You hear me tell
No, they-
you know them a flip up in the house a while ago, brother. She not even know a bad man. You hear? Such a number, bad bro. I go shoot about. You hear that? Such a
I
number.
go and watch my boat. The
The money chop. The money land.
The
The
land.
money land. The money land.
Good.
The money land.
Good.
Yes, the land. So, let me know what you want so we can buy
Let me
them
not tell you
and come
already.
in.
Let me not
Me
tell
not-
you
brother,
already.
remember say me there and everything now, brother. So you know me have a lot of fun
Alright.
brain, brother.
Me we calling you then. Me have
Yeah.
write a list of certain things
Yes.
and calling you.
Alright, that's
Cause
the
me a-
party.
watch out now.
Yeah.
Me a go grow in a big yard. Cause me know look tutorial this
Ah,
one. That's how come me hear
right.
your business, you know.
So them people can be in like, oh,
I suck up, me not tell you, but that's how come me hear your business.
they have a spy run a spy for me.
You can talk a big yard, me a go listen to your business.
Ah, let me know
No,
what
me
they
not make
share.
you know, but you have to.
Me a friend.
You have to rum. You have to
Rum?
rum,
Yeah, rum belly.
Man,
You love rum?
Eh?
Rum and you love her? Eh? Rum kill a mama and your
Yeah,
father and kill a
fisherman,
sister.
you
You go on.
You ever hear say, which fisherman? You know, you say, drink rum.
Yes,
Go on,
sir.
where you go?
You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker.
Uncle Bobby.
But what you know, you're not
When you call me, my mama, I tell you, say, now, what I see, me want to go,
Yeah, what I see you
Come here, one little link for start one little thing, but you know me if you organize, come here, I have to rent some boat and something. Only way me can make some money, mama. You know, so me done, me can say ABC and say,
No, that's
You know?
already.
mm-hmm.
And you look at paper and some and call and they look at something, you know.
Mm.
But more I talk to you, because you know say you're all real somebody to me and you're all the person I can come to and tell me problems.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
No, sir, you look troubled. Talk to me. My sister pick me.
I don't know if it start off with me, but uncle, nobody start judge me and say nothing bad already.
You kill somebody?
Oh God, man, why make you gone so far?
Because I know it's a bad in your blood, you never know. You're bad breeding on me, hey, it means. What go on, talk to
Anyway,
me.
we
Sorry
gonna
for
have
joking.
breads today.
Lord have
I'm
mercy.
not breads, me gonna look for uncle.
Listen before you start the conversation. Eh. Me tell you already, say down there, so I be a dirty nigga down there. You a high quality person. You know, see, say only good somebody down there. I am woman. I make hey, you know, see me I go down there. I talk to a lady because she needs when she see you around there, she feel herself to go on. Because me don't know where you want around there.
No, me just did a pass through and me say me go look for her. When me did there, me and her talk. You know, she talk about breads and me tell her, I don't want to talk about breads. Because breads, me and breads now go back this up. Be time me and the lady for done the conversation, breads and one dirty girl walking. One piece of argument, and the girl take me and I go up and chair tap, you know.
What? What do you mean by that?
I joke me and make one.
Pamphile.
Depending on man chair tap, call me dirty girl.
What do you mean by that?
What mean by that?
Yo, I'm confused.
Uncle girl disrespect me, you know. I feel like weird, you know. Me all have to get mad in front of a woman when me never do before.
But why she allow that situation? As she if control One to Jessica, man. One to Jessica. Jessica knows say. Jessica know too much for your go answer right now for your disrespect in certain way. I'm tell you, don't go down at the yard. Please stay from down at the yard. Marika, can you promise?
Woman a good woman.
Yes, me know, sir.
She take care of me and then
Yes, she take care of you for reasons. Yes.
We have to respect her.
She take care of you for reasons. Way beyond your control. Just leave down, you know. You can promise me this, just leave her now. You can promise me that?
Alright, uncle,
You know
I
why-
promise you. I promise you, uncle. I promise you. I'm not about to
You know what sacrifice me make, man, just to make sure you're good.
No.
So what you go around and if you know, you know and just know, no, man.
Sorry,
And stop
uncle.
making the
Me I
case
tell
where
us
you have
that
to complete. I know so when you forward in the attack, you say what? When you call me on the phone, I say to myself, say I bet you have something. But alright, at the end of the day, listen man. You promise to sit down ground there?
I promise you, uncle.
Alright. Wait, because I say I watch certain things. I'm trying to organize. I'm supposed to meet up for you, but you know, I'm not forward out now. So we have tomorrow business. You understand?
Uncle, beg your money now. Alright, give me one of this and I'm gonna feed sweetie. You know, you say if you tap eat sweetie. Yes, let me see if no more. Let me see if there are no more.
Someone, yo.
So give me money now, uncle.
You see that alright? You see you don't know what you want? You don't know what you want in life. You know money for me. Check me up so.
Alright.
Later.
Know that man. Who is that? Come. Who that? Yeah, I'm sure this. Where you come from? Which one you cry out? Same way.
You can't control the tone anymore.
Where are you coming from? Why are they here now? After all these years?
You know good man. Tell me again, Miss Eva.
Excuse.
Tell me.
Why are you here?
Alright, let's get to business. Alright. Marika came to me, complaining. We done talk about Marika already. And I said, she have to come here, come see you, come visit you in a long way because we know the situation kind of messy in a certain way, but I ask you a question. Bryce knows I'm your father.
Hold on. Who is you?
Bryce knows I'm
Tell
your
me who
father.
can come here. No, him not know. And where you even not do a foot in the house here. Me not tell you never come here. Yeah, make it look like we did in our relationship.
No.
And that's so we make pride. We did our relationship?
Obviously,
You did Lulu.
you felt comfortable with me because I was the only person you could talk to. Remember? Hey, you remember? I remember.
Remember everything.
Yeah, you always love a smiling face. Obviously, I swear. You remember everything?
You was a friend was never good for me. Cause you know if you was my friend any at all, you would have tell me no. Your sister me never know my right man, you know. And you know the problem me did I have.
You pull my belt.
I mean,
You pull my belt and said one time now hurt. You remember you tell me that?
me never in my right mind.
Yeah, but so in the right mind now? Listen to me. This is way beyond everything.
No, so my right mind, because me not do like what me used to do back then.
I used to me let it go. I used to say don't come out. I used to say I know me.
Yeah, me young and stupid. So when you come here for no, when you overachieve when you come here no.
Because not even Marika knows that me and her are a real uncle because I am really just what happened? Me know what happened to she. She don't have nobody really. I had no one and my mother adopted me in her family. So I am not really her uncle, but she not even know that much. You understand what I say? And everything is complicated, but me I find out if you tell her nothing because if she come talk to you And you so kind-hearted. Me, I wonder if you tell her anything about anything.
I did not tell her nothing. I just like, you know, someone naturally like the girl as my that type of. So when if tell her, say?
Just want to find out that. Because that clear my brain right now because me just out of sea and wait for certain things that might happen. I mean, I wonder if that cause a bad luck. If it not happen. I mean, I say, I have to come talk to you. You understand? Me vow say, I want to come in like that and the same thing for you. But
you know, say, today, my son disrespect me.
Feel me, son?
About tell me, say, him father, they are foreign up pay bills to the house here.
Yeah, because you never know the story. Good thing saying father, his so-called father is somebody where, you know, conscious and can still maintain certain things. When last thing called?
Him don't conscious and don't can maintain something. That is why I don't tell Bert anything. I want to tell him, but because him called me about a year ago, and him say him soon come here, and him need to tell Brad that he is not his dad. And
what you need to do now is to make sure you make sure that him not come here.
how?
Cause if we mean how? Tell him some story, give him some situation, make him feel like Jamaica not safe no more. Make him feel like the same boy when he stab still want to kill him.
Him say him is a grown man now and nobody now control his mind and tell him anything. And him I go come to Jamaica because he want to fix up things.
What if you fix things? What if you fix one broken glass? That makes sense?
What's broken?
Everything broken.
Nothing broken because I still love my man. So what you talking about? Yes, I still love my man.
What if I tell him this story when he go break in half? You still love him?
Remember I know it already.
Yeah, but me I say, when you go tell him now, Faye, shut him in brain said me even come here.
That's why you come here.
No, that's not why I'm coming, but I'm just saying you have to understand. Make him not come here and make things more complicated.
No, I can't. Look here.
Why you do this? Why you do
I
this?
cannot keep this anymore.
But why you doing this?
Doing what?
What's the gain to you? What you gain from all of this? You smile like it's a joke thing. You
I get
smile.
my relationship. I'm
Which
a
relationship?
son. I understand, say. The mistake when me and you make.
You cannot tell, Brad. When you talk about your son, I'm let me see.
Why we can't tell him? He's big enough now.
Because you see him reckless? You see him stay? I was reckless. Me used to stay so. That's why me understand the situation. That's why I not really approach him and say, yo, this and that. And you go check him now, go make things worse and more complicated. That's why I say just left everything buried under the carpet.
How long we can't do this, fam? We
Forever.
can't do it no more.
What do you mean you can't do no more?
Come and say we can't do it anymore.
So alright, so when you do this now and everybody know everything, what? Because your conscience free?
My conscience are free. You see the main person if you know, him already know. That is why him don't want to keep it anymore and he wants to come and take. But so before him come and tell my son, me tell him.
Tell who?
What do you mean tell who?
Tell
Brother. You act like him is a baby, him reckless, but him is not a baby.
And you feel like you can control him?
Oh, I don't want to control
Hey
him.
man,
Me want you to control him.
the man, well a man me I call him, which is the young man,
Mm-hmm.
bring him so-called woman, come in your house here. And he and she fight.
Me and I never fight.
He and she fight.
That's what I'm telling you?
That's
That's what she tell you? Me, she want to fight me. Brother want to fight me for you, man. Oh, I never tell me say him not fight me. But I'm father place. And if I take off and bring him come here.
He want to fight you. And he meant title. And he father place. And you ever tell him this now, gonna make you better. Wise up no man. Wake up now, you sleep. Wake up.
I'm not sleep. I'm tired of this.
Just sleep,
It's an army. You know something I go to church, don't it? Do you know that I'm a Christian and I go to church?
Your pastor knows say you won't give your man born. Your pastor knows say you won't fornicate if I solve the case. And what as soon as your pastor make him know put it on back bench. And that's if you go up on back bench. When you go up on back bench, you will understand and feel. You can't even hear preaching from back bench.
For a mistake I make when me young and drunk. For a mistake I make when me young and drunk.
I don't think you understand. Sir. This mistake can cause a whole heap and drama, what No necessary, Jessica. Please, for your safety and mine, left it under the rug.
For now.
What you mean for now?
Me gonna leave it for now, but me not gonna leave it for her. Me not make my eye close and me not tell my son who him real father is. Me not doing
I
it.
think he gonna make things better. He's gonna make things better, right? Look
Yeah.
on you. You just always not make the right decision.
Yeah, I can give me that baby.
That is the problem. He's not a baby. That is the chanting from a baby. No, him young and reckless. Do the right thing, Jessica. May I leave your place. I'm gonna come back to your place. And don't make Marika come back to your place.
You can't tell me that. Marika, if I can be my daughter, I should welcome here anytime.
Let me out.
You can go,
No,
the
let
door
me
is
out.
open.
Let me out.
You know what? I that with you know that.
You know, no respect and manners to people. Have respect to your son before me leave.
Oh,
Before
who
me
made me disrespect my son now?
Before you
You
open.
keep on saying that to have respect. Who made me disrespect my son? I'm
I
telling the truth.
thinking that the truth will set him free. The truth will set the things on fire.
Oh.
Oh,
Hmm.
I must say, one who can hear about
I don't feel all these years already. I'm done pay for whatever I do wrong.
Stop.
My man gone left me. You not take no part in your picnic life. Just go on,
Me
please.
can't pick no partner in the life. Me let myself out.
But you could have still give me something under the rug to
Yo.
take care of him.
You get something under the rug.
Please.
You get something under the rug and you get a big
You don't say you're a joker.
One rap
Every
over
time
the
you say in
rug.
front of me, you just come like a big joke. I have to laugh. Please leave.
Remember that kiss there?
Man.
Remember that kiss there?
You could. Hey, my know. So
I
you're
feel like-
sticking at
feel
your
like-
head.
I feel like I want big troops you want to calm
Go on,
down.
excuse.
Eh?
Excuse. Oh. Come I feel like you're sick. This mistake I'm gonna make. When me how much me have this opinion? When me at 20, me have this little boy and this a mistake I make how much years ago still at me. You could have talked where you want to accept my son. I have to know the truth. Maybe we're almost. They come back here for.
So sorry for what happened. Never see something like it. Never see myself I'm a bad woman. I find my mother. I know I'm my mother. Never see myself in a giant shop yet.
The line kill is kind of like.
I don't really kill this girl, but you know, as a female now. When you say others female and them get curb, I wonder, oh, what is this? You understand what I try to tell the moment? Me and Marika left a long time because Marika, she betrayed me. A lot of money spent on Marika. You
So
understand?
this is one where me see coming on one little piece of sitting.
Mommy.
You know, I spend more for her.
Mommy, as she me love Pinky, as she me love him hard. Only thing right now I'm gonna big a moment do. Just one, it go good between you and she and me too.
It never going to go between me and that is struggle there. Cause you see the art where you talk about belongs to her, she going to take it up and crush it.
Mommy, she my love of my life. She treat me good more than how Marka treat me. You know what they are sick in her, mommy? As she, you know, boil water and give me tea, you know, she wash my foot. Marka never do that yet.
That not look like she can even boil water. They too lie.
Mommy, a country people go look for her, you know. We a country, you know, country people look, country people plant yam and that she, you know, cook, mommy. She come from a hard place.
I look so.
Mommy, I mean, I
Like a
try.
prostitute?
Mommy, I try bring her to life. You know, when somebody born and one person that really know life go, she should just have big clothes and big shoes and big that, mommy. I mean, I try to show her look life.
Oh, so you make sure just like a prostitute.
I'm a prostitute.
But you just say she don't wear big clothes and big. So
No,
why
no.
she in a them there?
Mommy.
Number one, she come look for your mother. If it was a decent girl, she'd have come and suck the
Mommy,
decent.
you remember when you was
Mm-hmm.
a teenager,
Mm-hmm.
you remember the clothes and what you used to wear, right? Remember, she in her 20s, she don't reach 30 yet. So you have to understand, when she reach that 30, she gonna mature and understand certain things not really good again. Remember, say, it was still young woman.
Yes, but I've never went to my mother-in-law house looking like that. No dear. Because the first thing I should have said, your father bring a prostitute.
Mommy, I have to just calm down and just understand, say, young people life, man. Remember saying a generation of vipers.
Like the
Generation.
vipers.
I don't remember from Cain killed Abel. A generation of vipers. You understand? So the second generation will come with a problem. What about the third generation? My generation, I'll come next.
Consider, I mean, the way they are going to do, like, slow.
Mommy don't really understand. Mommy love you, mommy don't want a girl that disrespect you, mommy. Love to my heart, mommy.
You just disrespect me in front of her, because you will tell me, say, I never present in your life until you are two.
But you can't see me coming nice princess at the end there, like that, like. You need to sit down and look where I do.
Because she get actress. The girl
And I
that she
tell her
married.
she have bill, I tell her she have bill, and she in an argument used to accuse her, she used to accuse you. That don't make no sense.
And then you think a good woman that. You bring a woman and you have to meet your mother, and she not argument with your mother. You think a good woman that? You think a good woman that?
Mommy, I tell her the truth. Probably she doing something wrong, because me and her didn't want to spot her. You know they'll be the vibes and tell her should be. I don't know where Martha come from. Martha come
She came
like
to me.
Martha book him too.
What do you mean?
Me be a good man to Martha. Martha go find a dirty man and say, dirty man, he can't do what she want him to do. You understand? And me was the cold spoon to Martha. You know more things with Martha, she can't have family then. That's why I want to come back on him. Fall.
You know?
You know, I really understand no mommy. You know?
I never see Martha as a good girl to you. I've never seen.
Mommy she ever thought that and pretend like she's good. She is not good.
So, by the way, tell me, say, baby mother. Is that the baby mother?
Yes.
Jesus.
She's 2 months pregnant. For me.
How do you so?
Mommy have to understand. Mommy have to understand, man.
And a babe like that. For you see the girl is just make one up.
Mommy, she's not a Jezebel. Mommy, you can't do that, mommy.
Look here, I'm not gonna tell you.
Listen what I'm saying now. Listen what I'm saying. You say if you're Jezebel, it's my Jezebel. I don't feel about Jezebel. I say if you're Jezebel, we're going to change her to be a good woman. I love her to my heart, you know. And every money I have in my bank, I fear her. I put her up on the list too. Yes, I drop out half I will fear her.
It's hard, but alright, not half. Alright, give her everything.
Mommy, I should not be, alright?
I'm not gonna tell something I like your woman, but I will try, okay?
Mommy, no want to try. I want to do better than that. That's really bad.
Mom, what kind of better I can do?
Mommy, share some food.
That's all you do, what like your baby. Every time you come here, you want food. I have woman. Good woman, you say you have to, you know. You can't because she never know who buy water.
The vibes just stop, mommy. She not gonna want to do no, mommy. And America, I don't know. You can't, not change my number. Not change my phone. Mommy, don't put what happened on my microwave. Just can't come right now. I'm going hot. Come to life with just something, man. I mean, I'm a boxer up and I live while I was you know. But you know what boxer make you say, man, money. I don't think
No, you're not for the money. Don't look there.
Cook nice woman all the time. Nice good.
Hi, baby.
We talk about this already. See? We talk about this. But with that something. Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Where you have to come, sir?
Be listen. What do you mean by we talk about this already?
Me know what kind of person you be, you know, so stop acting like me
Me
know
know
what kind of
say
person.
me and you so there and we not there again, but you not after they go on so. What
So-
the problem?
That a problem.
What the problem?
That a problem.
And that's a problem.
Where you call me
So
a big-
true, me come and say, hey baby.
Yeah, where you baby me for? I mean things alone you want, you just want things. I'm telling that already, so I'm upon certain vibes, you know. Just easy, man.
And your things alone more on.
Yes! You figure
And
so
your things alone more on.
you figure so me tell you, so me not give you certain thing, you just cut.
So why you here nah me? You never know say your things alone more on.
And I say,
Eh?
never, nah.
Oh, you're sick, so you're sick no more me. You're sick no more me. Fear tell me say your things alone when you want. So you come like to forget who the girl you are with. You see it? And that's the reason why me have to left you and go find the next man. And the argument done.
So where you
Can't
call
come
me
back.
for? So where you call me for then?
Eh?
Where you call me for beg me more
So
things?
you see, you
Where you
look
call
at
me more things? I beg me more
Listen
things.
now, listen
That
now.
makes sense?
Me I try to make this thing work back. But you go on like say you
Work back,
say
nothing
you're man enough. You're man.
Nothing can work.
Yeah
back.
man.
It
You're going
can't-
like your man. Yeah man. Eh? You don't play like your man, but
My
I know
best
say you soft.
man
Best
you
way.
would have ever have in your
Best
life.
way. The best of
Remember that.
luck. The best of luck. I lie to tell.
Like who I
I
tell?
lie you
Who
to
I tell
tell.
lie? Yo, me
Best
tell
of
this.
luck.
Leave my phone alone. Stop calling me. Stop stressing me out. You understand me? I say,
So what stress out?
are you?
Me I stress
What
out.
do you mean you're stressed?
Spell stress. Either spell stress. Spell stress, car. You don't know what it mean of stress. So spell stress.
I'm gonna can't spell your
Spell
stress
stress. You don't know what it mean of stress. So spell stress.
now. That now have nothing to do with
What
it.
is stress?
Stress.
How me I stress you out?
Stress is problem. You're a problem. You're corruption. You're devil.
Me a problem, me a corruption, me a
Yeah,
devil.
you're
Me a
Satan.
Lucifer.
You're all them something
Me a
there.
Satan.
Yeah, that me I say. I mean,
Oi! Me are the angel we could have ever asked in your life.
Stop worrying on.
Oh,
Stop
and that's
worrying
if you
on.
know. And me walk it down over, you can't nothing. Yes, me walk it down. You come like a renewal. You come like an engine. You come like proof of ownership. And that you come like proof of ownership. You have to give you the proof.
I'm okay. You can read that one.
Yeah, it's not a valid. Yeah, it's not a valid.
Everything.
Show me a fisher idea.
Stop touch me, no, man.
Show me a fisher idea.
Stop touch me.
Yeah, it's nothing. Sagicor. Oh, let me tell you something now.
Stop
Don't
touch
play
me.
with me
Stop
because you
touch
know
me.
some of the best you ever
Stop
have
touch
in your life.
Stop.
You know,
Just stop what me down. All
You
right.
know why? You don't like me a rejection.
You don't want me, so where you there?
Nonsense.
So where you there? You don't want me. Where you there?
Rubbish.
Stop calling phone. You're not getting no money from me no more, and that's final. Just
Who want money
accept
from
that.
you?
You want money from me. You.
You know why me I call you?
Why?
You know why me I call
Why
you?
you
The
call?
reason why me call you?
Answer the question.
The reason why me call you is more me a squash this thing.
Squash.
When you see me on road, stop and scrub a dirty tough face, Rasta boy.
Me screw my
And
face.
me chim up
Me
there
scrub my
like that,
face.
you know me. Me chim up there
I
like
just
that.
screw my face.
Yeah?
I smell something stink.
You can't smell me junk crow. Come in by last time I meet you to go beard. Why?
Me for go
Come
beard.
no.
Me for go beard.
I meet you go shoot the head
Me
where
for go
sun
beard.
shine and grass are going to ramp with me.
Alright, tell me how you
Oh.
tell me. You done? You
Eh?
done?
You can ramp with me.
You done?
You can ramp with
You
me.
done?
Me say you can ramp
say
with
you
me.
done?
You can ramp with
You
me.
finished?
Yeah, me finish.
So go on now,
Come
tell
me
me.
not done. Me is not a done out, girl. Me finish.
Well, there's an annoying me. I feel more. Listen to my brain.
Eh?
The whole thing's going yesterday.
Eh?
Yo, just leave
Eh?
out of my sight. See
Right
me,
on
please.
belly around and it just the image of my belly around.
You know why it
Take
around?
this.
Eh? You know why it around?
Take this.
Eh?
You can't touch the belly.
Because I be. You know what I'm saying?
I be a what?
Everything,
I be a what?
everything.
I be a what? Remember the last time when done that for the jail and me that before I got doctor.
What dream?
And a
What
good
dream?
people never take it because of the jail.
What dream?
It's a good thing, say.
Don't point yourself at me.
Me say it's a good
What
thing.
dream?
My way you doing and don't touch on me hand. It's a good thing, say. Me never touch you, never touch me before me get this a cure. Remember?
What cure?
Remember good.
What cure?
Remember good.
What
Don't
cure?
this never cure. Remember
Are
say
you
they
give me
jail.
everything what go on
I'm
and stuff?
here. I'm here.
Yes.
No, talk to
Are you make me know what
Talk to
problems
you.
look like?
Talk it
Are
to
you-
I'm making more
Are
problems
you
look like.
introduce me to the fact me as hear about it but me never know about it? Me a piss and me can't piss. I beat me come like a splinter.
That's
I'm just
problem.
saying this.
Hey, I say
I'm
what?
call you act
I
like
say
you don't know
what
what
Hey, I say
I want
what
me check your bag and
How
be a
are this?
pill, me see the bag.
I be a pill in my
What you
bag.
mean? Fit
You're
problems.
fully done. You're fully done.
Me fully done.
You know what Advil mean? You know what Cetamal mean? Eh? You know what Cetamal mean?
Me-
You know what Advil
Me
mean?
take the
And
pill
somebody knows you
and
done
carry
to
go
that.
give me little niece Marika and she really tell me say
Because
this is
your
for
niece-
crab louse.
Because your niece done second you. Well, no, me not no cranium.
Go on, we are go.
No, me
Go on,
not
we
no
are go.
cranium.
Go on,
My
we
way
are
you
go. Go on, we are go.
do.
Go on, we are go.
My way you do.
Go on, we are go.
My way you do. My way I do come me. Hey, you think this is not my girl is here with? Eh? You think you're gonna turn up on me?
I fight the one fight.
Turn up on me. Turn up on me.
Me make a vow to
Mr.
God.
New
So me
man
now
done
put.
fine.
Eh?
My God straight you.
Send this
And you
new
still
man.
have to return your own son. My way I do. I look at nonsense and rubbish. Eh? New man better you by far. So long me alone, because you talk when me a call you for you forget to miss call when you text somebody and send me. Eh?
Why?
Rubbish.
Why?
You know, sister,
Why
from
me
here,
call? Why me
left.
call?
Listen.
Why me call? Why me
You
call?
know, see from here,
Why me
left.
call him?
You know, see from
Because
here,
I'm
left.
call my name for you. I'm telling him to take my name off of you. Because you're a rubbish truck. You try to dump your dirty stinking garbage for me. That is the problem. So I call her to make them know say me and you is no longer. We null and void.
Hold on,
Yes,
hold
me
on.
I say, get that in your teeth.
Why you do it, John Crow?
You're full of style, that's all.
Why you step on me toe? Why you step on me toe? Because for you step on me toe, my left foot not stop jump. I know the right I jump, know the left foot I jump. You are destructional crosses. How will you be? How will you be? For the bottom of my toe. John Crow, how will you be? Go ahead. I no come phone. Don't call me phone. You sit next to me, call me phone. Remember me curse if you go mash you up. Oh.
Thank you, Jah. Destruction walk out.
Crosses! Me say!
If you ever feel for me.
Phone! No call back me phone! Junk crow!
Oh,
Look at dirty rest of me. You know how me long, you know? Come from the morning, me lay down. I show a love and show a God. You locked out that keep me, kill me to backside.
Cut and clear.
Junk crow.
Cut and clear. Cut and clear. Oh, go on, just in time. Yeah, man, there's one little. Little time, just flush a while ago. Yeah, man. What? Police know what? What do you mean police know about? How so police know about that? But me, no, this thing, no, yeah, sure, bro, no? Alright, cool. If I say go, no, bro, I'm a trust you, bro. Just relax, the man. So yeah, so this okay, I work now. So next time. Alright, no problem, no problem. Yeah, man. We know exactly what we're doing. Alright. Peace.
Where you at?
I really, this a little buggy, he bring with a bad man for that.
Father, I'm telling you, this is all what I need. I don't need nothing more. This little transport of everything. Right, this good big and fair transport you have to pay back right now.
Freeze! No one do!
That's
Hey, I like the way
No, I'm not running. No, yes. See. Yes, man, and it's up in here. Yeah, freeze. I freeze. I'm not moving.
Don't move! Don't move!
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the Dan, cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one, cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one, cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But watch out now, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You call yourself a boss, can you start see the figures? But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take a shot from nobody till you're down by your knees. Then you're not
Are you alone there,
You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and
bro? But you know what the funniest thing about it is that me I try to reach your phone, you know. And right now, me in a problem now, cause me I depend on this type of thing right now. Me I try to call you, but want your phone, bro?
I got my phone mash up yesterday. Drop in the water for me to check out the boat. Them ask me that. Drop in the water.
Bro, alright.
Mash up early in the morning. My phone mash up. Cause remember me dey on the sea from early, you know. I did there one night time. Them brats call link and ask me if me no reach a me yard yet. To show you my yard. Right now, man feel like I set him up, yo.
I don't know, set this up.
I'm to set up my friend my time. Me and me surprise myself when me and Aldo move you. I couldn't do nothing. Brother, I should even know, but I couldn't make them hold me certain way my father. I swear you.
I mean, I said to myself, so how is it that I told you going here and you run free? But you understand, man? I kind of complicated to me right now, that's the same. But what me I said still, you have the goods empire still?
We never get to go up on the boat with them.
So you never get to go up on the boat?
No, I have them. So as so comes me have to escape, because you see, if they hold me with the goods, probably would have to stay longer than time. So I have to move fast. Brads, and Brads feel like say, I set him up there. That just I go through my brain now. I'm there so by myself and meds and I'm
so you're giving them back around?
no, yeah.
You say if you're giving back the goods them back or what?
So what am to Brads?
Brads, we have to start with it different, but me I say we have to get the goods them because I want to secure certain things. But Brads know say, well I don't know. Right now I don't know what really how go on. Because when you get caught in a demo situation or anything possible, time, I don't know. I really want him there jail right now.
Like the NS in the face thing, can visit me dog and hear full information.
You're mad? Who don't see your face? Your face don't see your face? Think about you again. And think about what you just said. Does that make sense? All me I say to you goods them more. See? When me can get the goods them?
You can check me and look more when me reach back on my side. I can't believe you.
Alright, so later in the evening.
Yeah, that was so much. Check me. Alright, now I feel I'm with my right now. Because I drink a rum now in my shop.
If he's have a rum to the rim. As me I say, let me get the goods. What does that ask for boss? Oh, fly out to you. So, really and true, that's what I said, follow the process. So if I can get the goods then, I got to, reschedule my flight and everything. See? Because if you go up, so go meet, and collect everything. Now everything get bust, we have to just start over again.
No man, everything don't get bust.
Bro, if them there on your trail, that means that them know something. Who you talk to differently before?
Talk to, alone me talk to my youth, and who Brads go talk to? And who Brads go talk to, brother? Alone me talk to you and Brads. So if you go talk to a next man about him. Remember I earlier asked me if me talk to nobody, but me I make you know say no, you are the first man. I come with a reason with my friend.
Right.
So all me if you go talk to man, either you or Brads, but I can't me don't know what go on.
Sure, so I mean.
Me don't know what go on.
Yeah. See what we do. We're gonna have to just call it and reschedule.
Right now, if I go get back a phone, I don't want to see him cheaper. I don't want to buy me. I try to change everything in my friend car. Watch out. Them a chuck food, them a use
me feel sad that. Me feel sad that as a kid. Because we don't understand, so more time we talk and on social media, when I text this and text that. Sometimes the woman wanna text, And if you say you link up girl and rate it, sometimes another girl are feds. You get to me, I say?
money on them.
Yeah. Look at my link here. Just make sure I get the goods. See?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
You sure say good secure me ask you one last time.
Brother, I good and secure. Me move with the bag, brother. Me not get to go up on the boat. You come like you not here with me and say me not get to go up on the boat.
Alright. That's all I want. Okay? And brothers, when you have feedback.
Brothers, you have feedback.
Oh, brothers never have no goods.
No.
Alright.
Because I want to lick bag. Me and me all ask him where am I going that lick bag.
Look back. That's very good. Alright. Pick up yourself then.
Yeah,
See?
yeah, just watch yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Like they now watch you too.
Marco? I want to talk to you. Brother Jill.
So why am I have to run to because Brad did jail? One thing, girlfriend.
Girl, I don't know about no other girl. We ask about look here now. Should me know say you have family where a lie and doctor. That's why you're the first person come to mind for me come to. I'm going at the station you know, and you're gonna tell me about me if you come back the next 3 days. And you know someone son, despite how him stay, you cannot make him stay there because anything can happen to him you know because he mouth. You don't know that too?
I know that. But remember, Brad disrespect me, you know. Style me in a most way. So why me, if you be one, if you go down there, go bail him and look after him as what? Remember, so me and Brad's in the dealings again, you know. You remember that other night in this me in front of a woman, you know. So why Cynthia run to me? You're supposed to call him woman and making woman know the whole situation. You're not supposed to come to me. Because right now, I don't think Brad's going to see me.
The child, you know, boy, if he wants you, I want you not. You are the best option him have and the only option him have. May I beg you, not do it for him, do it for me. May I beg you, please.
You know, I'm not do anything for you, but I don't think I want to do this.
Please, may I beg you. Help me out, please.
I don't want me, hey, I'm my uncle, I problem now, you know, because last time I did go to my uncle, I'm complain to my uncle, you know. So I don't want next thing my uncle got here say me bail Brads and he did that, don't tell me if you stay far from Brads. And that's the next problem.
Tell us something about that man there. You see that man there? Me not even know what to tell about him, but don't pay in the mind. Nobody follow him. Him for later. Me will deal with him. Nobody follow him. Just do it for me, may I beg you, please. Me know him out enough
because
now.
of you, you know, me I go do this, you know. But if me I go do this, what if money fi pay and so forth? How you go work out?
Don't worry about nothing like that. Me will pay every expense. But just want you just take care of the bailing for me.
Oh boy, but are you my mother? Why you can't do it?
Alright, as I'm say me, they go down at the station and them gonna tell me so if come back 3 day time. Why them can't give me a solid reason why I'm come back 3 days time?
Alright, I'm gonna make a phone call, make a link, and then I'm gonna pick him up and bring him home to you.
Please and thanks, my child. You children me appreciate you.
Yeah, I'll make sure some breads and I'm probably not gonna come back to me because this is the last favor me on the breads.
Girl, me go talk to him and me go talk to him the last time. So you see, so many time I know not because I pick them you know. If anything happen to them, we're gonna want to bail them out. But you see, when people don't listen, you have to make them feel. But you see, because I first time I go here so, me know and me know say he will get himself in a trouble with his mouth. Cause you know him now, him hot-headed. What me don't know, I don't know when. But try to talk to him now, you know say. And guess what? Me never really know what go down. Me only hear say it's like in the seaside, in my friend. Like them go for operation. Yeah, them go for operation at sea. Police catch them the friend run left him. And at him one. So As I say, I'm tired. I'm tired of
This will teach him a lesson. Because you know here.
And if you don't
And
teach him a
you know,
lesson,
I feel like I wait till the 3 days and go down there for him, you know.
no. You know why I can't wait for the 3 days? Him out. You know him attack.
And that's why if he's staying there for 3 days.
No, but you don't sure now come out if him stay in the 3 days. Cause I'm more trouble him.
And
And
because
I
of
feel
you,
like
I'm
him head hot.
this, you know. And because of you, and you always take care of me and you always encourage me and all of them to do something there. Make me go do this. Because I say, if I need brother alone, I'm making a rotten down there.
Which him deserve, I'm not gonna lie, not because I'm a pitney. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, I said this is the last time. When him get the bail, last time this me I sit down and I talk to him. Because I have some things I want to talk to him about. So I gotta talk to him.
Can you go through one is and come through the other?
Child, as me say, I last try on this. So you see, if you want hear, I feel business. And if you don't want to hear, I feel business. Because I have to make up my mind at certain point. I'm
I have to
done.
make some call and support, so I think it's time for you to
Alright, my child. So you will call me and let me know.
I will let you know what happened, okay?
Alright, and thanks very much, yeah. I'll later.
Yeah, bye. Hello, Uncle. It's my brother. Alright, like I listen here. I can come up and yard more and talk to you about something ASAP. Nobody take long, hurry up. Come now, Uncle, when I come, me tell you about why sense me go tell you over the phone. More tell you in person. Alright.
I would never play those games with you.
Yo, Colby. What are you going with, Brad?
I don't even know what to start from.
Cause here right now, me go down at the station and to how them a go on down there like say me is nobody, me have to anger them. Look how much they lock me up. This little policeman that off in stinking mud. How many policemen so stink?
You ask me that, you have to ask
Policeman
them.
stink. Hey, not even sewage water can help them out. Them out think on it. And I come chat off in mud. Look more say I don't have to lick down one of them, no. Tell me what I go with me man. Anyway you can start from I'm just finish it.
I don't know, say I want mission me and the boy leave to go up on the night there. Come like, I don't know what really going to you know, cause me and the man, me and Breads are head over to go a boat. Two toes me only here freeze like somebody a watch it or something. Your man ball out say what this if I said, yo what you even know, how much I know? Public. He say, he know said then they have found over here and I call my phone. And the man know me live, you know. The man know me live, brother.
No disrespect boy, but you know say assault. You know say assault. Me not this say no. But me just want to tell you say assault. If I never you me man would have gone to jail, you know.
So how am me and the man plan a week?
You never hear one saying say when man a plan gotta swipe. Eh? Why you do it?
Why me do what? Why me do what?
Why you plan with him? Or could you just go for a move and you have a plan? Eh? Bush of years, wall of VI. You never hear about that yet. Eh? And now you know, so I feel like to tell the police them say they are so. No, me feel like to tell them say they are so. Because see they know, me not have me man lay down side at night time.
Me just
Me
tell
nah
you,
nobody fi cuddle with
say,
me right
look,
now.
you lucky say a true a Brad's your woman make you get about police. Say
That's a me woman.
Say Brad's your man make me no lick any more cause you go tell me about where you go care police see me.
Lick
Where you
in
care
them
police see
mud.
me
Lick
for?
in them mud. It come like say you're sick. It come like say you're sick on me, boy. Lick
Yo,
in them
man,
mud.
man.
Eh?
You see it.
Lick
come
who in
down
them
and
mud.
They
No,
tell me about you
leave
go
me a
call.
mud.
They tell me you go
Leave
call
me a
police.
mud.
They tell me say you go call police for me.
Bo lick in a
Where you
mud.
tell me you go call police for me for?
I last day would I live. If I live in my mud, can you feel like say I don't alone have strappy? Eh? I feel like I don't alone have strappy, I would have shut out the eye. Everything good, man. Every single thing good. Just make sure say my man come out. Just make sure say come out, cause if you don't come out, it not go nice. I tell me I drink me rum and I smoke a one frost. You don't even know who not play with here. Oh. You look salt, bro. You salt like you see water. Could I there gully. Salt power. Rubbish.
Alright, you know, you go on your ways, man.
man.
You go on your ways.
I would have to know how your mother is better, but that's your mother like you don't play with me.
You go on. Can't believe all this again, man. You go and have your heart.
Who is it? Awo! So we can answer uncle.
I'm going to say I'm passing and she had tried to identify her in me as a from Sri Lankan conversation. So what I mean is, Jesus Christ, you are going with why for your place? You know, sometimes why you have to go in place?
Because, no. We feel comfortable with you. In case one of my friends like come over, I want to share with them.
So what going on?
So we can block my door.
So I still, you know, about the rent down.
Anyway, uncle. Brad's man come up today.
A joke you make? Tell me say a joke you make.
No, yeah, serious to me.
Give me a, take me out of your head. Take me out of your head. Come here, man. Come over here, come do what? Me tell you to stay away from she. You gonna make she come in here?
Uncle,
That makes sense?
Still for now, she come up here.
Tell her so what, she come in the room now? She come in the place?
Yeah, she did sit on this.
And she can cook for you too, no show?
No,
So where you go then?
Uncle doesn't.
Pants out, bro.
Uncle,
You
you
can't
feel like you're done.
Are you a dunce? Can you understand the situation?
Can you read?
What do you mean say you can't read? That
So,
I'm
yeah,
doing it. You have common sense. You don't have no common sense. You need to build some or grow some somewhere in your thick head.
Listen what me have to say. Sorry, sorry.
Yo.
Sorry.
You figure the way you do? Don't pass the place. What she want?
Uncle, you never explain the situation.
That's why I'm asking now. What? Did?
Uncle, you see, that's why sometimes we can't bother with you now. I am the only person we can talk to, but sometimes I make it difficult for you. Because I call her here to talk to you, and I simply say something to you, and you start raising your voice and go on the most way.
But,
And you don't even wait upon me if you tell her your situation.
I'm sorry.
You make me feel that way and you make me almost disrespect you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Continue, please. Continue, please.
Alright. You come up here because
You really stuck pampas.
sure I'm for bail, brats. I'm tell her say because of she.
What? You go plan for bail black? Alright, listen.
Uncle, remember said I did my
To
first.
every crime, there is a time. You understand? So, even though I rate brads and love brads to my heart like my own son, but really and truly, I don't want you get mixed up with that. If anything else, don't get mixed up with it. I tell you already from day one. But you don't understand, so when you get involved, you are now involved. and it can't involve until the system solve. And basically, this is a life and death situation. Guns,
So Uncle, oh you know what happened?
I said the situation is clear. People know, and me alone know. The community know because police went up on the scene, lights and knives and all them something there. So people
Uncle,
know.
there's one question.
Ask me a question.
I know them did a rape and one time they go and look for you on the scene.
What make you ask me a question like that? Why would I wait upon them?
No,
Me know them. Who's them?
Brett's a new friend. You know your friend?
Small world. Me see Murray and that's it.
They don't run for you on your boat.
Alright, let me tell you something. More understand this thing. Take yourself out of people's business and people that have business with you a certain way. Put a negative line.
Uncle.
Organize! Fee. Either find something else to do. Come say you say you go back to college. So go back to college, pay attention to your career and make things work for you. Right? Man now go make you know better than how you're supposed to go if you do it by yourself. But yourself, then when a man, time to get man, you will have what you have. Can combine or whatever the case may be. You understand me? I say, make a better family. You know, a situation with few people them, for your mother and you know how much good she has done for me. You know, for your mother, I mean, how much good she has done for us. You know what I mean? You know, that's our foolishness. For your mother, for my sister. She has done so much good for me and so forth. Me just emotional right now because me don't want you get involved in certain things because there's a lot of things where you don't know and understand.
Listen,
and I just that
you know
moment.
why me ask you this question because I know everything we do down in case you are involved in it.
Don't worry about me. Me alright. Me will take
Uncle,
care.
don't tell me if you don't worry about you because remember said any paperwork are going to meet them on account. And me emergency for everything. So anything good on with you, I remember say I me sign a contract for your boat and everything. So anything me I go involved in it no matter what you take.
Alright, we understand that part. So don't get too much more involved in the situation. You can promise me that?
So what you say, me not for bail, Brides?
I'm not saying enough for bail, Brides, but I'm saying just stay away. Brides will get bail at some point. Make him stay away for a little bit.
No,
Take him off high street.
mother beg me, you know the woman that take care of me. So
That
me
the
just
woman
want
there
help her.
are crosses
Uncle, you know
in
say
a
woman
real life
crosses.
because as I said, there are things that you don't know that just left it alone.
Uncle, then
My
explain
niece.
it to me.
I just
Me
left
want
my
know.
niece just left it alone. I'm glad they call me first. You don't call nobody first.
No,
Yeah,
you know say
yeah.
any situation are you first, me go
You call your uncle who work on a place there.
No, are you alone me call?
Alright,
Me go
just-
call him after this.
What?
Joke me at me.
Stop run joke and a joke in time.
And you're all the person me call though.
Left it
Call
there, sir.
nobody else. So we say me not for be a Brides.
I'm saying, brothers, I'll get bail, but don't get yourself involved. You
So,
can
not
listen to your
understand.
uncle. You can listen to your uncle for once.
Some must make
You can listen to your uncle for once.
Uncle.
You can listen to your uncle for once.
Some must
You
make
can listen to your uncle for once.
Me always
You can listen to. Most when you answer, there's an answer they call YES or NO. You can listen to your uncle for once.
Yes, uncle, I can listen to you.
Alright.
I'm gonna look for uncle.
Yeah, come on. Over here. Walk with us. Do the right thing. Trust yourself.
Come here so far enough.
Listen. Hey. I'm not tired for that.
What you say now? Talk and for a while, you know.
When me start out, remember some used to talk to you in such a way where we can keep each other secret. And you used to learn the peace. That's one I think I used to love about you. So I never want a rum situation, I never want violation, you know way. And you understand the things break down because you claim my voice sound different when I talk to you. You claim say me just change. So you won't see it as change when I go through depression. And you never see that way. Now nobody feel the reason a certain way. You know what I mean? But you right now.
Andy. Hey son, so I'm not going to look so. Abal. Don't you rasta like you could have ball? No, sir. All pestilence a ball. I force me to see this. Crow bait. No, sir.
You go stop. And stop put on the front because I know say I want rebellious way you put it on.
Alright, me a listen.
You sure you listen?
Yes.
You know, say really and truly, the family I'm raising, I was adopted. Yeah, I was adopted. Long story short, from the people in my, you know what happened. But me used to pass on. And things went rough, left them at home. And one lady where at the time she couldn't have no picnic. So she adopted me. Long and short of the whole story, you know what I'm saying? One girl when I here in America. She's supposed to, and she called me uncle. And I'm a real niece, you know. I'm a real niece.
Hold on. Short Marika. Thick Marika.
Yeah, man, she say, man.
Call her uncle.
Yeah, but until she know all of them something still, because we still feel like our brain not really ready for listen to certain conversation.
Continue.
Remember I tell you, I never know you yet.
Yeah, but you tell me say you no picnic, and that's why you want to give you one.
I will try. We try in a sea, we try in a boat. We try upon the boat top.
Exactly.
I never work
On the
out.
fridge top, never work out.
But to tell the truth, you know, so I have one youth already. Well, to be honest, yeah. I have a youth already.
So where this youth there? Where youth you have? Where name? You live here? What? Me can't take with it, you know. It's just a if and but. If, but. Just start, no man.
Brads.
Hey! Who you say?
The reason I tell this now, because you lock up and on.
No, sir. I'm a disgrace to the society. You can't tell me say me I take the father and no me I take the son. You know, say I'm wicked. You see, that's why I never like you, you know. Because you're wicked, you're a wicked man. Imagine, you know, all of this in your guan. And you not tell me. You look dirty Rasta man. And a while ago, me do feel sorry for your help your ball, you know. A while ago, me do help your ball. And you see what you do? You come and tell me about how you have one pit in your brother. You're wicked, you. And that's why any wicked things that reach you right now is supposed to reach you. God forgive me. But you know me when me say so you're a wicked dirty rasta man. That's why you can't come better. And that's your accent of a tiff in your head, drunk crosses.
You don't know?
No matter how you do, look dry head you can't fix.
You don't know? Right now, I just need somebody to talk to, and as I said, the only person you can talk to is you. And you have to take it to a different level. Me know, see, you go feel away if you know, so boy, I mean, really. Me just want to fix things right now.
So what you plan for do? Cause you know what me plan for do you know?
What?
Take up one big bag and run. Me just a run and me just nah stop. Cause this a thing and suicidal business.
Listen. Me I gonna make it right now. Cause even that thing I wouldn't get bus pan, me I try call you the other youth the phone and can't get him.
So hold on there, me can ask you one question.
Ask me anything you want time for
Beg your pardon. Your son knows say I'm pa?
No.
Jesus Almighty Savior. So hold on there. He look, a girl what you say, call her uncle. Did I take your son? And your son next woman, you know?
You know that.
You see, says a rubbish as a little dirty rasta man, that's I mean not like you. You don't have no sense.
They come to me. Listen to me. You come to argue. Right now, I just first want to make things right, you know, and take it away. You take it on an extent of me argue with you and me make you look bad or something. Me just want to come clean.
You make me look bad. You make me look bad because it done sliding, gliding, everything in a one. Glittering, glamour.
Me feel like
rubbish.
me ever take on myself. Right now, me feel like my
Make
time.
me run, because you not left me in this.
No. You have to go stick around. That's why me attack. Me don't see a conscious girl, even though you're going loud and all them something. See? You understand me? I say, you don't understand?
Yeah, you know, me just can't be so I'm sitting here really put me in a gun now. Boy, you're really wicked. Me think me the wicked, but you're tappy. It's like you're tappy card. I say you're tappy. You're wicked, you know? So what you want me to do? Help your ball?
What do you mean?
Eh? You feel my pain? Oh, so I'm supposed to feel your pain where you can't feel my pain. You shall go down 6'6".
Alright, hear me say. Forget something come talk to you. See? You hear me say? Just forget something.
You know what you feel do? I lift up for yourself. So
No,
like come take the spot yourself, lift up for right.
Because at this time, we can't understand me a reason with up on a level and see where you take it. Where is the girl that I used to know? She in there somewhere, but you hide it. You go and play hard.
Don't touch me now, chip right now. Go on where you go now. Go on where you go before we make the night again. Hey, look, don't have to now. I'll make it on E-kind. Go on where you go.
Yeah.
Shh. Nonsense. God don't strike you.
You say you are the dan cause you start pulling trigger. Yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer. Yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger.
God must go back and run.
You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down.
I heard a man to come finish me here. I come because they are work and she have me here and wait. What's she there, man?
Mommy!
Yes, daughter.
Mommy!
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, man. Mommy out there. I know that I go there. What going, daughter?
Morning.
Morning. Me there you want to get my hair done, but the girl that took too long. I know.
So, you call her?
Yes. About 20 hours ago.
Oh, Jesus.
You know, so I go. On a Jamaican never on time. But anyway, what go on different?
Yeah. But look at you make mosquito deal with the skin, man. No, man. And that's why if you lock up a place, if you say out here, if you say you're overcrying the same thing.
I just said thing, with the Jamaica supposed to free open my door and sleep and you hold next to sleep with the door open and that they are do.
But mommy, I want to talk to you about something.
Go on, no, listen.
I know say you're a judge and they work with the government and stuff. I have a friend who get locked up 2 nights ago.
What character did your friend?
Oh?
Character. What lifestyle does your friend live?
Well, mommy, he I'm not. He don't really have a character, no, mommy. He just calm and he
In
alright.
what favor character, good or bad?
In good, mommy, in good.
Okay. So your definition of good?
Yeah, mommy, in good, but one I friend up on beach and then just grab him and go with him, but the next friend they just run off at her.
Hold on there. That sounds like a bad friend. But keep
I'm a bad
talking.
friend,
You don't want
mommy.
to judge.
Then them a person will always go up on the beach side, go drink.
Oh.
So then just grab him up and go lock him up. But me ask her for a favor. I want him to come out.
Come out?
Yeah, you know, so I can talk to people them and make them let him go kind of know.
My job more important, you know. I have to live, you know. I work hard, you know. I put years in, you know. So you have to give me more information.
What kind of more information I want to give you all the information that I have?
Well, I have to go look up in file, you know.
Mommy, you don't have to do that. Mommy, why you do this, mommy? Me know say you can just go down the talk to people them and they will talk to man.
And them are going to ask me 50 million questions. So
Mommy,
I go look up
mommy,
in
you
file.
judge, you know how to deal with that, mommy. You don't have to look up in file and go in all of them details.
Alright, let me tell you what we can do then. We still go look up in file, you know. But guess what? Me go help if me can help. Me go look up in file. So everything what you know, tell me now.
Mommy, that's all.
That's all.
Yes.
Alright, so guess what? My work important, you know, because you know, no work hard and me enjoy the benefits them. Even you will enjoy it and we not lose if you nobody. So me I go look him up. If me can help him, he might go get the help, but if me can help him. But he sound like a good person though, man.
I mean, to say I'm a good person.
Make sure you know that you always come to me and tell me to help people and some of them turn out bad.
Me know, mommy, me not disappointed.
You better not.
Sure.
Because me
But
cut
I
off
would
your
definitely
benefits.
do it.
Yeah, man.
But after my benefit, they would never do that.
What chance, you know?
They're not gonna do that.
I love you, but me will cut them off. Like me, so scissors, and cut that hair, yeah.
But anyway, mommy, me I go home because I have some stuff at home to sort out.
Safe journey. Cut me
Alright.
some oxtail, you know.
Alright, mommy, me do that. You can come when me done.
Alright. So,
later.
me I go try, me I go check it out and you know, so me I go help, you know. We always like to help and
You know that. But remember to call a lady for the year because that the
Alright,
woman doesn't
man.
like.
You see me
You
here,
have
I'm
other
finished
business to
now.
deal with. So later.
Alright, okay, daughter. Hey, so how much me there?
Emergency, I call upon.
God, I tell you, man. My daughter na come check me to do a little mission for her.
What?
Yes!
Hold on. What mean mission?
They come do a thing for one of her little friend.
Who's your friend? Are you do it?
Me almost do it. Me look the file up and be glad me never go further. The file horrible, man. Hoodlum. Wanted. Worse than the pirate. You know I see thing that.
So she really come to you with
Of
that
course.
situation there?
And me tell her, say, you know, me not go lose with benefits, you know. And me tell her, say, make sure person good.
And the
She
person,
said-
yeah.
She said them no good.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something now.
Man,
I can tell you something. Because I respect you for years. Only me you know certain things where you do for me. You understand? And see, your mother was such a wonderful lady and me have a big her up and thing, but Me gonna ask you a favor.
Mm-hmm.
Me know it might cost a lot on your reputation and everything, but do it this one time.
Tell me what I mean with that. Let me say, worse than the pirate them. Yo, it repetition so bad. When I look on the file, horrible. If that bad. Nobody no like no the song bad, but bad like yo, that youth you need for the behind bars.
Alright, as I said to you, do it for me. Do it for me because me know the youth good and him just caught up in one situation where me know say only people who actually I don't even know if to say it, people who believe in a good can come out of evil. I can really understand what I say. I mean, know say you're one of the person that believe good can come out of evil because the situations of them happened before, I don't feel like you have the right person to talk to him certain way and give him a lesson based on certain things.
So you say my victim of circumstance, what kind of circumstance?
A lot of community circumstance, just being in a society where, you know, him see and he feel like you have a follow. And feel like that's the only way to buy a Benz. Or, you know, like they don't want to work to achieve the true potential. Them feel like them doing what them do is work.
So how me know say if me help him out this one time because of you, how me know say now go repeat it again because me have to go come to you know and me I got dash with that the key and lock him a maximum penitentiary me I put him.
No man, I try to find a way of to talk to him. There must be a way to get a steady conversation with just me and him reasoning to make him understand say there's a other way. You understand me I say? Please.
Alright.
Just do it.
I'm gonna do it just because of you know. But talk to him and make we know. Well, we are gonna watch and see change in my make. But me tell you, this time lot. You ever hear about 3 strike and you're gone for life? This time 3rd strike. Mark my words, in 3rd strike, we say maximum 30 minutes sunlight. What that left? 23 hours and 30 minutes. Lockdown. Pier wall. Am I go eat? Am I go do him waste and everything right there, so.
You understand?
Animal me I go treat him like.
Sis, listen to me. Thanks.
Alright.
Yeah? May I tell you thanks in advance.
Alright. Me I go do that, man.
Alright, respect.
Can't
Love you, man.
file so bad.
Love you, man.
You want help. You want me help somebody with such a bad file.
Don't think about it too much. But thanks,
man.
yeah?
Alright.
One, my picnic.
Yeah, alright, this I come for half by slave, you know. You know the hell house. Boy, them say road learn you good, but in a jail learn you better. When me got jail, you know, I realize say, hey, friend, then turn switch up. Y'all turn switch up. Everybody turn switch up. The family turn switch up. More crime than that badness again, you know. Me ain't no more scamming, no more dialing, nothing that you want to interact with no man, friend them again. We just drop them.
I'm happy you feel that way there. You know, I'm glad you just let out your mouth. Because this is a lot. My son, me tell you the truth. I love you and all of that. But me can't continue to do this. It's not healthy for me. And it's not good for you. You have one video, you know.
No, but sometimes I pay for learn, you know. You know, sometimes a company make us stray, you know, and do the wrong thing when you are doing it with me. You know?
Right, that is why I always talk to you and I say, stop. You can't stop.
Not even know, man. What a crime I grind on me. You say, when you lock it, you're boom! Mummy say, remember everything when I tell me, Mummy say, my ball, I say, Jesus Christ, everything's a reflect on my mind. When I tell my ball.
So I'm glad they get the picture of everything.
Wait, me say, they put now one place. A big bad man in there, you know. I'm not just saying I change my pocket, you know. I'm buy a crib name and the boy say, want my crib name in a moment. I'm not tell the boy say, I want crib name, I can't give me crib name in a moment. The boy this side say, want it, you know. You have to mash him up in a moment. Me I tell you, you know, some uppercut, some fist, some right hand you get and I short ribs.
I'll press your gun and fight. Your head too hot, you have to look your brother calm down.
What happen? I can't go and make boys must walk over me. So I walk over and soft shoulder, you know. And tough boy, you know.
Alright, me glad say it's all over and done now.
And you think you done? Watch I know again. Then move before they sell and put now one darker cell. Me say darky. And teeth, every smiling at my teeth I can't see. And my teeth are white and pretty.
I don't think I gotta show you a lesson, my son. I gotta teach you.
Them wicked man. Please never make the dog knock back again. Mommy, something we have cook.
We have cook some chicken and me gonna put some ackee in it, you know.
Too long me I tell you, you know long me some good food, man.
And steam some right. You don't need to do that, like you're too dramatic too, you know.
Mommy,
But that one thing me I tell you,
yeah.
no. You have to go hear what me I say, no. Tell you something. You see? I'm glad you decide say I go stop without me. I forgot to tell you again.
Mommy not even sleep good, mommy. That's the cleaner in there. I feel like pill and shit, you know, nothing in there. At 6 o'clock, me have to wake up and touch the bathroom. And you can't say I want the bathroom, you have to say I want to ride the bike.
Well, all that is a learning experience, and you did look like you did have to drop this off to learn and listen to everything what me I tell you say. For leave out certain lifestyle alone. So me only glad say you come out okay, but you come out a change and a learn, man.
I'm smart how I was. Right? They didn't teach me, they come like a college. I tell you, that's more now when some man do some things and go back to prison 10 times, 5 times, what am I going there for? They must have a man in there or something, I don't know. But I don't want to go back in there.
They like prison life.
No more pan cook, man, because I'm hungry too, you know.
I'm tell you something now, but I come tell me more pan cook, you know what you me saying last night, me tell me me tell you something. You see all of what me did I say, you see now, because no, all along me I say no, the only good woman me ever stay with, you know, America, you know. And you tell me this, and you tell my dad, oh, the little Jezebel, me see you come here, you say, I don't love your life, and your heart belongs to her. Where was she when you drop a jail? The only person we could have found in America, if you go beg her, to bail you out, because when me come down, then I tell me be a foolish. So you know, if your family them a lie and that and so, as she me could have run too. Nobody else, oh you disrespect her, make a little Jezebel girl disrespect her.
I feel down on myself, I don't want to cry.
Then the baby there when you talk, oh, me don't think of your one. You fix up your life.
Where's the woman?
Fix up your life. Alright, and that me have to say, we don't cook, you get something, go and pay and relax yourself.
Do something after.
One more leave.
Don't think not even enough food more to eat right now.
Food soon ready.
Remember saying, mommy, can't that show all for you? But it come like a duck, them a dope, that show all for you and end up in a hill. You see it, end up in a hill after dinner.
I'm glad you realize that, you know, my son. I'm glad you realize that. And sister, all of me I tell you, say the girl a good girl, I never lie. Me I tell you, go say I true me love her. I feel love her because my sister she a good woman. But you pick her up, but that's how it go. My only hope say you can patch up and fix up things with her.
Whoa! I look so frightened, man. What going on?
Brother!
You know, I'm back from out of hell, my friend. That is it, man. The boy couldn't hold me longer than he can hold me, you know.
Yo, dog, I should even know, dog. I'm ball you with me yesterday. Yo, I should even know. When I see them, when they tell about the move, I see a good one.
Boy run and can't run you, that's your
I mean,
God.
you feel like I'm set you up, because I say something like that, you know.
Yo, Jano, me feel like you set me up, see me in a bad
You
man.
want me to set up my friend and me, you go for a mission. You know?
What you say?
You know what I say? You know, Rastafari around the road there. Public, you don't know public.
Public.
Yeah.
The Rasta.
Yeah.
But she was running head side, so. Hear me attack.
Yeah, you know, say, man, I'm in number, you tell him, man. Tell me, say.
you know I'm...
No, well, now, man tell me say he saw the police in my company blocking on my father.
What you say?
And he man say he call me and he know me live
Differently though. You know say the Rasta man there, my mother a good friend.
Mm.
A good friend, you know.
Alright.
I say him a call you when the police ma come.
And
Funny
no, what I try to see them before me one long time and one bag of something my youth. And you know say a man make some talk and one bag of something that right now.
Right now I feel like him set me up, you know. You know that? Me not trust that Rasta boy there, you know. Him set me up, you know.
Me say come to my mind.
Brother, I him see him one set me up, brother. I him see him one. Right now one when if you go bust out here in a bad man.
Watch out now. What you say if you do?
What we say? What we are gonna do? And me and you, matter of fact, brother.
You alone are
watch out, man. Watch out, man. Listen to me, I say. You will make a link. And me alone, me no want me and not go up on no crime scene and no up. You hear me? I tell you. And me alone, where me do it, nobody can find anybody. You can't go see but dash anybody out there.
Remember, see, you just come out back in.
But I'm not respond about that and caring about man. From boy this program, I forget dash way. If junk can't find anybody, I'm dash out to see, you know.
No, like talk to you though.
But I mean, no, I like talk to me, nobody. Because I say do things and I do it. You look like a coward. I want to tell man fresh from hell, man, want food in a brother and thing in a bad man. I want to tell you. So what you say I do? You make a link? Or what?
They like talk to you, dog. Me they say, who are you at?
My youth. Brother, I say I come from a dark place. I'm kind of dark right now. You think that Rasta boy is my mother's best friend? Brother, right now, him say, come and get nervous. You like, you want peace. You get nervous, man. And nervous, I get nervous in the youth. Like your body shiver down in the yo. That Rasta boy there. That Rasta boy ain't have a hand in it, you know. That him set up, you know. You know, say him. Him, you know.
Yo. You don't know say. Yeah. You don't know some find sitting out in a yeah. You know some find sitting out in a bomba water there. Yeah man, find one key. One key a coke. Yeah, one key a coke and find out in a water there, you know, my boy. Watch you know. Check me. Watch you know, when I'm a soldier know exactly where it is. So watch you know, me I make you and my soldier go out there and then you talk. Here. Yeah. What time you go free? Alright, me I send him your foot. Alright, check. Me man, he know a boat already, so check him when I done do what you do. He go, yeah. Check him when I done do what you do. He might carry you out there. Yeah man, he know exactly which party there. Alright. Look him on.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, man. The idea sound like a good idea. You know those people, boy, that's not. Go wash your hand, man. How you do? I'm bad, man. How you do? Don't touch me now.
Watch out, no. Oh.
Go wash your hand, man. Like how the bad, man.
Never see you walking on
Me not respond, me not care about that, bad man. I want you.
Baba.
Wagwan, father. Job to the long time, man. I'm wait.
Yo, what we saying couldn't forward, you know?
Oh, yeah, say.
Yeah, so you don't know anything though. So we're gonna really reach treasure keys and
The
things.
man, Peter Key.
Yeah.
You out there wait for a man, you know. So, how do you see the reef there? Out there, so you go. Yeah, man.
So you have everything though?
What do you mean, man? Everything there, my father, man? For yourself, man. Gas there, food there, bread there, water there. Where you want?
Start the board, the answer.
Soon start the boat.
So start it.
Different to do, you know?
Yeah.
I know how long me I try keep up on the mission here. How long me I try programming? Yes, man. You don't really know who you are. You know who you.
You know, man.
You know me?
You know, yes, man.
Yeah, I say.
You must have one community, you know. Smart. You know what I mean?
What differently do? You know me call it for?
Let me call, what you talking about?
I'm calling for dash away, you know.
Give me that shit.
I know, sir, you set me up with the police. You know.
Brother, yo, wait.
Listen,
Set your phone.
boy, hush up. Listen what I say. You know, sir, you set me up with the police. You know, boy.
Me?
Chat, hear me? I want to find hand. I
Yo.
want you. What you want to do?
Sir,
Eh? What you want to do? You
sir,
want to try?
planting, sir.
When I got up, you get dead or dead today.
What you mean dead?
What you mean? You like it, I get you. Eh? Long run shot, catch! Fool! Man, chop it, man, shouldn't have to spot them off the sharp them. Mummy, where food are mummy?
Me a come.
Come now, me ask if you look food like you want to starve.
You forgot say you're baby. All this. Can you forget say you're a big man?
You still have cooked me same way, I'm big and old. Me still have baby, I'm old, you know. Me bother to you.
Yeah, because you're true, you're the only fit in here. That is why you can behave so.
Food nice though, man. Shut up pepper and season though.
Always. I need to talk to you.
But one no, mummy.
You can't talk to you.
You can always talk to me, you can reason with me. But that's what you're talking about now.
The Rasta man. When we years to get shot, them and see. Pass out.
Who?
The Rasta man.
Rasta man, which Rasta man that?
You don't know the Rasta man, we get shot, them and see and pass out.
If you know which Rasta man I see, I'm going to see him to know.
Marika uncle.
Marika uncle, which Marika uncle? Now one Rasta man come check out the Rasta man that I don't know.
Yeah, our uncle that.
The Rasta man come link you.
Mm-hmm.
Marika uncle that.
Yes. And our real uncle.
You like something, I mix up or some story I mix up, so I don't really understand. What you say? Marika what?
Alright.
Talk to me straight, I don't hear him. Talk to me straight, man. You come on and go around the corner.
Our mother take care of him and grow him as, you know, as our brother, big brother. Don't you say our brother, little brother?
Yeah, I understand. I understand what you
Yeah, so it's not really, she not real, them it's not a real uncle any at all.
Mm-hmm.
And I talk to you about something about the rest of
Just
man.
me talk, man, talk in my mind, not there if you talk anything, man. Anything you have in your heart, just talk it. Just talk. Don't hold it back, just speak it out. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
The rest of man, I already to you, related to you.
Mommy, I still not talk straight, mommy. I'm an uncle, I'm a daddy, I'm a cousin. I what? I'm a great grandfather. Talk straight, no money, I go in the corner. I'm a daddy. I what? You must what to me? I'm relative, I can relative to me.
Yeah, your father. I what?
What you say to me?
Your father.
Me like my father?
So we are being so far. Yeah.
How me don't know that? Say my father.
Because
Because what?
we didn't want to tell you a long time.
You want to tell me long time, so Mommy. Where are you at? Say my father that?
Yeah, your father.
How come you know my father? What?
Sit down and I'm talking. Can you just get one of these guys? You notice nobody now you mess with you. When you have ball of milk over them here. Sit down. What is it? Sit down now.
Bag of things are going there. Bag of things, brother.
Bad man.
Bag of story, bag of mix up, a bag of confusion are going where you not even know. And I'm gonna sleep from when in a J. Brother,
Be a dream, and be a dream, I come to me now, father. Like a real life thing, you know, bro.
bad man, what do you tell me say you want to do something make you do so dog and you come like you're still not happy? How about one?
But you not even know. You not even know what going on, you know.
Then that's why more you tell me what go on, my friend. You can't tell me, you just come here so with your face look down certain way, bad man.
Yo,
Chat
you
to
know
me.
say, my mother give me one reason and tell me say, yo, the Rasta man there, when you do that, see my father.
Eh,
My brother said that even know, brother tell me, guy, what I run me and that.
so,
I'm not even know what for doing, brother.
so one night time in a year, see your father they are foreign.
Brother, listen now, you see, one could mix up go on this, brother, way. Me don't know about because me daddy baby. So when me a grow up, come up, my mother I tell me say, yo, this and that make two and that make three.
So you are trying to tell me, say, your mother have work.
Wait, your mother say, boy, you know my mother?
Nobody
Eh?
foolish. Nobody
Where me mother work?
foolish. I just say me as a
I'm doctor is boy,
Yo, I just say me as a you. I go like you see you.
Where me a cut
Calm
my
down,
mother?
man.
Boy,
Calm down,
it's
man.
a doubt of my mother work.
Say
Me
calm
box
down,
the teeth
man.
out your face,
Calm
boy.
down, now you. I am say you. Calm down, man. Me just say you are going.
Brother, me love my mother, you know.
Me know them way that me love my mother to that, but watch you know. But if a mother deal with you, so when if kiss her, what you want me say?
You could have said better, you have said that, brother.
Choose
Not because you know my mother not really too plan piece of line, brother. Yo, me love my mother, me love my pine on dog.
Me know that, but watch you
brother,
know. Your mother be active for you, my dog.
my, come on for the story there,
Mother
brother.
be active.
Come on for the story there, brother. I don't like you to talk to my mother, you know, my mother, you know, brother. You hear me talk about your mother? Eh? When me say, when me tell you your mother a word. When me tell you my father read your mother already. Because me tell you that, you don't even feel.
Then what me fi do about
Eh?
it? What me fi do
Don't
about
tell
it?
my mother then,
Calm
brother.
down, man. You go on like say you're too ignorant, youth.
Yeah,
Calm
me,
down,
brother,
man.
me have to ignorant. Things like this, brother, me take my father life, my youth. Tell me, mother. Tell me. Eh?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the dan cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you bullet run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can't be lied. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. Na 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 na, yeah. Nah. You not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, You not take no shot from nobody till you're down on your knees and you not know sorry. You say you not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you not, no, 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 no. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. No, 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 no.